you are chasing YouTube monetization, chances are that you are confused right now. One person says go live every day, and another person says post long videos consistently, and YouTube algorithm itself says absolutely nothing. I have tried both and I have wasted so much time on both, and today I want to help you to stop guessing and make a clear decision for your YouTube channel, because the wrong focus doesn't just slow monetization, it burns you out, and as a small creator you don't need that. Hey my love, my name is Blessing, and on this channel I share real YouTube growth and monetization strategies based on my own personal experience, not some guesswork. So in this video, this video is especially for small creators who do not want to waste so much time doing the wrong thing. For this video, YouTube monetization, it is not just about creativity, it is about efficiency. If you are a small creator, your time is limited, your energy is limited, and your passion is also limited. Even your resources, they are all limited. Okay, so choosing the wrong path can set you back for months. You'll keep crawling. The problem is not if you're live streaming or if you are uploading videos. The real problem is most small creators use they live stream without strategy, and they keep uploading videos without clarity, and then they expect YouTube algorithm to figure it out for them. Okay, YouTube algorithm does not guess. It responds garbage in, garbage out. When I started my live streaming, something changed, and it changed real fast. My watch hours increased, my live sessions were longer, growth felt fast, but something else happened. Subscribers, they didn't always return to watch my videos. Here is the truth. Okay, live streams are great for watch time hours, okay, but they are weak if it doesn't serve a great identity. Now, my videos, it keeps feeling slower and discouraging at most times, but my videos did something my live stream couldn't do. My videos explained who I am, and it actually clarifies my messages, and it also trained my audience. Videos do not rush results, they build foundation. And some creators, they go live every day and still don't get monetized. Some upload videos weekly and you still see them struggling. Why is this happening? Neither one works alone without intention. The shift wasn't choosing live stream or videos. It was assigning rules. Okay, now live streams is equal to watch hours, my videos equal to clarity and trust, building family, then shorts equal to discovery. Once I stopped mixing rule, YouTube started responding. And if your goal is maybe fast watch hour, if your goal is to get fast watch hours, you should go for live streaming. Then if your goal is for long lifetime monetization, videos is your go-to. If your goal is sustainability, you can use the both. Okay, if you want a sustainable growth, you need the both intentionally, not just for doing sake. If you feel behind, you are not alone. Okay, if maybe you feel like your growth is slow, you are not broken. You just need direction, not more effort. Because I mean, there are people that put slower effort but gets more views. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for real YouTube growth conversation, and you can comment intentional if you are done guessing what you want to do with your channel and you are ready to grow smartly. Thank you for watching and see you on our next one. Bye.